I have worked with 2D models and 3D models, and I would recommend 3D models because they have more complexity and you have endless results. Hi, I am Manasa. I am coming from Hannover Medical School, Hannover in Germany, and I am working in Institute of Laboratory Animal Science, that is Centrales Tier Laboratory in MHH. So I work on a project with Zukunft Niedersachsen, which was R2N before. Yes, this is my project, developing advanced in vitro models on chip to stimulate intestinal environment for comprehensive studies for infection and inflammation models. Yeah, the motivation of my research is following the 3R principle. So it mainly focuses on developing the alternative methods for animal testing. So for this I have worked with the chip devices and I will explain you clearly. Yes, I work on organoid on chip, which is a prefabricated chip by Dynamic 42. And then I have introduced Kakutu cells and set up them in perfusion. You can see this like a transfer section of the chip, and I can set up the chip in perfusion where I have upper chamber and lower chamber, and I have a PET membrane which is porous membrane. Then I have seeded my Kakutu cells on the upper chamber. With that I could see the 3D structures that are developed in the chip system with the help of peristaltic pump, the perfusion setup. I could see the clear 3D structures which mimic the gut model. So the most interesting results are I could see the cell regeneration in the chip when they are in perfusion. I have seen that there was cell damage with increase in MOI. And then I have also seen that the cells can also regenerate when they have enough time, and the tight junctions were increasing at 48 hours from 30 hours to 48 hours. So this shows my interest on how the regeneration takes place with probiotics, and then when pathogenic bacteria is introduced, they damage the cells, and when I have introduced the E. coli, so you can see that the bacteria invasion can regenerate, the probiotic bacterial invasion can regenerate the cells even after the pathogenic invasion. Yes, organ-on-chip technology is really prominent. And I could see that I have worked with 2D models and 3D models, and I would recommend 3D models because they have more complexity, and you have endless results. Like you can incorporate different cells in the chip, where in 2D also you can do, but you don't see that 3D structures, which is really necessary for the to mimic some models physiologically. So I recommend 3D than 2D, but for me this model works perfectly fine.